Yeah.
Yeah, that's I'm not sure. Let's try this in here.
I see.
Oh, they're all contaminated now. They're all contaminated.
I don't know. Sometimes those are pretty expensive.
These are the more expensive ones.
They're better made.
Can't hurt them. They
Figured them out. But the thing was that you have to, like you had said, they're all different, so you gotta find what boat does what. I just gotta have it. We're taking the boat all the way out. I just wanna loosen it up and if I find that part's gonna been filled, then I'll
If that's out of there,
So then, if that's out, that's gonna drop. Usually I'll leave this in here with the bolt or the hold onto it. It's magnetized, and then I'll slide this straight out.
so this should come out.
Yeah, that'll straight. That comes straight.
It's still secured on there.
Yeah, it's straight. And that actually is a sleeve where this comes into. It's a sleeve that stays in there. That's over it like that, so that's probably in there.
It's stuck in
Yeah,
there.
so it could probably just come out.
Put force on it.
Yeah, it's not gonna. I mean, it's not gonna damage anything. It's just because it's pushed in there. The one we've been taking replacing with, it's just it'll actually fall off. There it is.
Popped it out.
Yeah, it just dropped already all to the floor. There it is. So then now the whole deal can come out.
Comes out.
That's the spring you were talking about.
No, I mean, so it's still needed to.
So by replacing, if this was fixed with the bolt that you had taken out, we would take that.
Take these two out, and
Exactly.
then this will slide out of there.
Yeah, we would take the solder and take that out.
You gotta have clearance on this one forward.
That's this part right there. See that? See, it'll clear one if you go this way,
And clear the other.
and then it'll clear the other one if you get that way.
And then pull it off. All right.
Now, I'm not sure if this piece, you had mentioned something that I didn't know of, which was the continuity. It runs through this.
Yeah.
See, now, it's gonna. That means it's delicate. That means that part right there plays a big part in the amount of tightness you can get into it.
Travel.
Exactly. So that won't travel.
Yeah, yes, it has to be. For the right height. Yep. So what I'm gonna do real quick is, small tip. Perfect. So I'm just gonna take this as a reference.
That
There we go. So now the next one I'll measure and put mark the same spot. We should be okay, right?
See those two dimples that I was telling you about on that on the sleeve, little holes. That's what I think. Like you said, those are more expensive, so I'm pretty sure that's a big part of it. Are they the same ones? Is that the same one as that?
Yeah. Now these will only come out one way though.
Yeah.
And
Let me get this connected.
okay, so now we're just gonna grab another one.
you're a little off.
We'll let you do the adjustment there. All right. There it is.
And then you're gonna shower it first and then adjust it after? Or you're gonna have heat shrink over it?
I'll put heat shrink over it. Alright, so it's right at that point. Now I can tighten it down.
Replace both of them?
No, just the one.
Where did that old one go?
The old one?